Come Jimmy.
라이온 킹? Do you know?
나는 인사이드 아웃.
Inside Out.
인사이드 아웃. 저도 그 샤이 캐릭터잖아요.
People told me that I could look like the shy character.
Maybe. Could you? Yeah. You guys excited for tonight?
And grew a lot.
진짜? 네,
Really?
공연을 하면서 이제 다들 체력이 엄청 늘어가지고 별로 안 힘들어하는 것 같은데.
Yeah, I feel like during the tour, everyone's stamina got so much better and you're not even tired.
Maybe. 힘든데?
I'm actually tired. I get tired too.
은성이 형 체력이 좋아졌나?
Maybe Eunseok Young's stamina got better.
아, 그냥 은석이 형 몸 좋아졌잖아요?
I feel like your body got better.
He's been working out at the gym.
날씨가 엄청 따뜻하더라고요.
You guys are on fire tonight, but also the weather outside, isn't it very warm as well?
그래서 그런지 샌프란시스코의 첫 인상이 되게 따뜻한 느낌입니다.
Because of that, I got a very warm impression of San Francisco.
우리 멤버들은 샌프란시스코 첫 인상이 어때요?
Guys, what is your first impression of San Francisco?
Come Jimmy. 저도 있어요.
I have one too.
저 나루토 재밌게 봤죠.
I really love